warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dina Aprilia. I'm from Biology Education. Here, I want to explain a little about mangrove forests. Mangrove forests are communities that live in areas that are moist and muddy and are influenced by the tides of seawater with high salt levels. This forest is dominated by woody plants that grow on brackish water swamps along the coastline. Mangrove are also known as coastal forests, brackish forests, or mangrove forests. Southeast Asia mangrove are the best developed and most species diverse in the world. A total of 268 plant species have been recorded in Southeast Asian mangrove vegetation, including 129 trees and shrubs, 50 terrestrial herbs, including 27 grasses and grass-like plants, 28 climbers, 28 epiphytes, 24 ferns, 7 palms, 1 panther, and 1 cycad. Of these 268 species, 52 are found in the mangrove habitat only, and this group of succulent true mangrove species includes 42 trees and shrubs. This diversity appears to not only hold for angiosperms but seems to be true for other plant taxons. For instance, in their study of morphology in Eastern Indonesia mangrove, states that it may be concluded that the Indonesia mangrove area is one of the most important distributional centers of macroalgae associated with mangrove in the world. Physical condition: many mangrove plants have special adaptation to counteract the effects of inundation, high salinity, and unstable soil. A number of process mechanisms to actively remove salt from their tissue, e.g. leaves extracting salts, or have stilts or broad roots for support, and pneumatophores are roots to assist oxygenation of root system. Many typical mangrove tree genera such as Vicennia, Bruguiera, Celiops, and Rhizopora and characterized by viverity. That is, the seeds germinates will still attach to the mother plant, and what is commonly referred to as, for example, a long rhizopora fruit is in fact a hypocotyl, primary stems emerging from the fruit. Mangrove vegetation type structure: mangrove in Southeast Asia may range from 1 to 2 meter tall. Avicennia alba or Avicennia marina stands off the seaward sides of accreting sources. To 30 to 40 meter tall stand of mixed Bruguiera, Rhizopora mangrove forest. One more exposed but not eroding coastlines one may find Sonaratia alba and Avicennia alba and along waters of lower salinity, e.g. in estuaries, Nipa fruticans, Cerbera odolime, and Sonaratia castellaris are common. Apart from saplings, undergrowth is often scarce but certainly not absent, and species such as sea holly, Acanthus ilcifolius, and mangrove ferns, Acousticum aureum, may be common along banks of creeks and in disturbed areas. There are several mangrove fauna such as mollusks, crabs, other crustaceans, other arthropods including insects, fish, birds, mammals, amphibians, and reptiles. Benefits derived from mangrove. Mangrove use are very productive ecosystem, and the list of mangrove products commonly used in Southeast Asia is long and impressive. The economy of coastal villages are often very dependent on adjacent mangrove, either directly because of the product they derive from the day's habitat and are able to sell, or because of the coastal fisheries that are supported by mangrove, or the coastline that are sheltered from storms. Many commercially important fish, shellfish, and prawn species depend on mangrove at least during part of their life cycle, and it has been demonstrated that the productivity of coastal fisheries is directly correlated with the area of mangrove. The more mangrove, the better the features. Definitions: mangrove is shoreline protection. Mangrove play an important role in protecting shorelines from waves, winds, and storms. Number 2, support to food web. Number 3, carbon sequestration. Analysis mangrove Carang River. Tanjung Pinang has a mangrove ecosystem covering an area of approximately 1,300 hectares, but 100 hectares of them were damaged due to logging and landfill for settlement and industry, which caused flooding in a number of areas. This study aims to analyze the condition of mangrove ecosystem secara meters Tanjung Pinang City. Mangrove condition can be seen by measuring species density, relative density, species frequency, relative frequency of species, and diversity index. The type of mangrove that grow in Secarang water consists of Rhizophora, Bruguera, Avicennia, and Sonaratia. This area is dominated by Rhizophora mangrove species, which is the most commonly formed mangrove species. The highest density of mangrove species in Secarang water up to the lowest as follows: Rhizophora 300 individual hectare, Bruguera 983 individual hectare, Avicennia 283 individual hectare, and Sonaratia 133 individual hectare. Rhizophora is the highest density of mangrove species, and Sonaratia is the lowest density of mangrove species. The average density of mangrove species in Secarang water is 1,100 individual hectare, which indicates that spatial density is included in the medium criteria, and this shows the condition of mangrove is still in good condition. The level of diversity of mangrove species is 0.8786, indicating that the type of mangrove that is dominated by one type of mangrove is Rhizophora, while other mangroves such as Bruguera, Avicennia, Sonaratia less found at the study site.